there is no seatbelt, right?
Very nice.
Hello!
Let's give it a smile! Freedom is a real happiness. Really great team here. I will bring Kamali to the airport. Now we're closing it. Let's go! Good morning, folks, and happy day from Kathmandu in India. This is insane. So up there is my homestay. This is where the motorbike is parking. And the guys here, finally, after all these years, they kind of tarmacked or asphalted the road down there, so the access road. And now, if I go down from here, the road down, you see this part here? It's insane. This is like 50 centimeters. I cannot ride this part. How should I get the motorbike out of here? Okay, just to be clear, bicycles throwing car toys into a bin are not allowed here. Kellogg's cornflakes and their marketing in Nepal. This bag is just 1 silly kilogram. 2 pounds. Insane. So much plastic waste. Nepal! Yes! Look at my new hair. Nice hairdressers in here. Beautiful. Thank you, brother. How was your night?
Good.
All good? Recovered?
Yeah.
Yes. Very good.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. Thank you so much, Santasi. Excellent chefs. Good morning, Brother Ram. How are you? You had a good sleep? Yeah. Fresh now?
Yeah.
Very good. And was easy exam for you or difficult?
It's easy.
Yeah, you are very intelligent, yes?
This is big. One more.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Tasty? Oh, nice.
Yeah, very tasty. I like more. I like it.
Good morning. Thank you for cooking food.
Okay.
Yes.
Hello! Alex दादा जिन्दाबाद! हेलो एभ्रीबडी, हामी चाहिँ आज टक्क लाएर फोटो खिच्दैछौँ। यहाँ दादा यो चाहिँ धेरै धेरै अल्को छ। केरा बाबु ओइ भाइ।
Is he aggressive? Smiling, smiling, smiling. Yoo-hoo! Let's give it a smile. Yes. Woo! I think that's it. Thank you, brothers and sisters. So today it's time to give Kamali a new chain. And Thomas is also with us. Removing the rear sprocket. So these people really know how to tighten locks and nuts. They do 60 first in the star system, and then they do 80 again in the star system. So this is exactly how you should do it. And I can only recommend to come here if you really want to have your bike taken care well. Pushpa and this team is really cleaning everything nicely. I really appreciate that. A little bit graphite grease.
Yeah.
We put lots of grease on. Now we're gonna rivet it. Very accurate servicing here, which is amazing. Everything is finished. Yeah. Thank you for helping me with the bike. Really great team here. Appreciate it. Can only recommend this place. Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you.
Hey guys, happy day. I'm here at Teamwork Cargo together with Kaushal, who is helping me shipping the motorbike from Kathmandu, Nepal to Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. Very good service, very good communication. He has been shipping many bikes before, also together with his father. I feel confident we're gonna have a good experience together. I can just recommend them. So if you ever want to ship your bike, come here, let's do this.
My name is Kausal. I am doing a shipping of bike and car to the worldwide. Freedom means me that to do a business freely is a freedom for me.
Freedom means happiness, sir. My name is Susil Prasad Sarma, Timor Cargo. I am working since more than 40 years.
Walking around in Kathmandu, Tamil, to get some bags with some stuff inside in the crates, and also to put some stuff inside when I fly home.
Very nice.
We're riding in Kathmandu
Yes.
with a friendly taxi driver
Yes.
back to the guest house.
Yes, house, yeah.
Here's the cooking master helping me with breakfast. Chef number 1 in the house.
I am Dipesh Shrestha and my gallery name is Tibetan Lama Thangka Gallery. So I am running since 18 years. This is my family work. And freedom for me, freedom is a real happiness. So we are always searching for the happiness as a freedom.
We're here at a beautiful place, a coffee place. We're gonna enjoy some tea and some coffee, maybe a cake, and having a good time today here in Kathmandu. Thank you, Nias, for spending time with me.
My name is Anil Mahajan. I am from the Kathmandu Valley. Freedom means just being comfortable in any situations.
Look at the cutie who came to my legs here. Hello? Hello? Hello?
With you. My name is Naresh Das. I am the honorary consul of Seychelles in Nepal. Freedom means if you are working yourself, then you need to give the freedom to your employee. And in the Seychelles, you have a totally freedom for the travel. So it's a kind of travel freedom country. All the human beings have a same blood, same nature, same thing. So it should be the freedom of the world.
All right, folks, heading to Tamil, seeing my old friend Alvaro in the best car. Hey, brother, how's it going?
How are you?
Doing good, yeah? Enjoying Nepal?
Good driving.
Good driving, yeah? Nice. I hope you do good driving, eh? Because there is no seatbelt, right? Reunion with my friend Alvaro from Spain. We made it all the way through Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan, China, and parts of Pakistan. Good morning from Kathmandu. Today is Wednesday, 18th September. I will bring Kamali to the airport to send her to Kuala Lumpur. It's going to be an amazing experience, first time for me. So I cleaned the helmet yesterday, which is good, I think, and I'm gonna bought these bags where I put in most of the stuff just in here. So this looks also pretty. Now I left back only stuff that I will take home with me and then later to Malaysia. The tank bag, and I bought another bag that I could drop into the airplane, but I try to keep it below the size. All right, Kamali's ready, packed as much as never before, and we're gonna head to the airport now. Namaste, sir.
What's your purpose?
Hello, I'm taking the motorbike.
Motorbike. Which country?
Which country? To Malaysia. Shipping a motorcycle by air, it's not just about booking a ticket, it's a whole process. Okay, windscreen is off, mirrors are removed, belts are off, fuel is out. We're getting there. Now we're closing it. It's been quite some work to put everything in place. Sometimes I'm questioning what I'm doing, right? Kamali has to go into this box to go to Malaysia. I haven't even heard a single word about Malaysia. I mean, I checked a little bit like the customs and should be fine, easy going. But this is crazy, like what you can do today. Airlines need weight and size details, plus customs paperwork, so expect some forms and fees. Once cleared, your bike gets loaded like a VIP cargo, and at your destination, customs might take their sweet time. We're going with 365 kilograms. But what the crate opens and your wheel touches new ground, all the hassle is worth it. Fast, safe, and ready for the next adventure. And here she goes!
In mid-December, I had no other chance than shipping out camel from Nepal because overland via China is not possible due to snow and Myanmar is civil war and the borders are closed.
It's time to leave Kathmandu. I'm sitting on the taxi, heading to the airport and flying towards Germany via Istanbul. It's going to be a 14-hour ride or flight. I'm really sad to leave now, but yeah, what can we do? Everything is over one day. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Back in on the airport. Crazy doing the check-in now.
Empty seats, fading footsteps. Every goodbye leaves a quiet space, but the journey always moves forward. Let's go! Ever wonder what it's like to ride a motorbike all the way from Germany to India? Crazy stories, unexpected twists, and moments you won't believe are waiting in episode 1. Click now to dive into this unbelievable journey. You don't want to miss where it all began.
Sapna